Ah, hey, let's get started here, people. We are in your review unit notes, all right? So let's take a little trip down memory lane here and visit some old friends here. So we are starting off with our lesson one, our order of operations. So the big thing we are after here is tell the story, people. Tell the story. I do realize that you might be able to do all mental math, come up with some of your answers. Problem is, it's not always going to work because there's too much action that's going on here. So again, you're putting your knowledge on display. So let's get into it here. Up top here, you do see your order of operations. So it's the events in which we're looking for things. So let's go to question number one here. Question number one here. All right. I'm looking for item number one, parentheses. All right. Do I see any? Yes, I do. So that's where I'm going to begin. So let's go inside the parentheses. I'm a big fan of underlining what I am about to do. It focuses, it lets me see the numbers there. Again, it's a safety net. Not required by law, but something I certainly encourage. So if we do 6 minus 2, hey, we get 4. All right. The big thing here is bring down everything you have not used. All right. So I can get rid of my parentheses because there's nothing else to do inside of them. So I can say goodbye. I have not used that exponent, that third power. I have not used that multiplication sign. I have not used that 2. So I've got a 2 times 4 to the third power that's there. So where do we go to now? Well, let's check the next item on the list. Exponents. Okay, exponents, little numbers pushed up in the air. They mean repeat multiplication. So when I look at what I've got here, I see exponents. So I'm going to underline it. 4 to the third power. 4 to the third power. That means 4 times 4 times 4. All right. So yeah, 4 times 4, 16. 16 times 4. Okay, where's your mental math skills? If you're like, yeah, fine, stack it up and multiply. All right, nothing wrong with having to go off to the side and do that. This is the only time we really get to bring out the old school multiplication symbol. Otherwise, you're always going to be using that dot for multiplication, or like we're about to see in the next problem, a number up against parentheses. But when we do stack, we do go old school here, and we can go ahead and multiply 24, put down the 4, carry the 2, 4 times 1 is 4, plus 2 is 6. Excuse me. There we are, 64. Okay, so I can put that down. Again, bring down what I haven't used. I haven't used that multiplication symbol. I have not used that 2. Finish it off because there's only one last thing to do. 2 times 64. Well, it's a double. Do you remember the double song? Doubles, doubles. I can add doubles. It's no trouble. People, remember, I got elementary school kids at home. They sing me these songs. Yes, I'm going to bring those back to you there. So, yeah, 128. We always like to circle our answer, okay, because we want to make sure that we're clear, like, hey, this is it. This is what our final product is. All right, rise and shine, people. We got everything going on here. So, do you see parentheses? I do, but there's nothing to do inside them. So we move along. These parentheses, because the 5 is up against it, means multiply. Okay, hold on to that. Next thing on my list, exponents. Yeah, I see them. Here we go. Little number pushed up in the air, so it's repeat multiplication. So 4 to the second power. 4 times 4. Yeah, 16. So again, we're going to put it down, and we're going to bring down everything we have not used. Oh my goodness, that got messy. All right. So I see subtraction, I see multiplication, I see addition. When I go into my chart, done with the parentheses, okay, done with the exponents, multiplication or division. Well, multiplication is there. So I underline it, I put it down, I bring down everyone I have not used. And there we go. So I see subtraction, I see addition. Again, using your chart up there at the top, if I go down to that last statement, it's addition or subtraction, or it's an or statement. Or means, hey, it doesn't matter. It's all in who comes first. Who showed up first, addition or subtraction? Well, in this case, subtraction did. So I do need to do my 16 minus 15. There's my 1, and then I'll do my addition. All right. We do see mistakes where students do the addition first. Yes, it will give you a completely different answer. All right. give you the wrong answer that's there. Let's go to problem number 3 here. All right. So parentheses, no. Exponents, no. Any multiplication or division, yes. So we need to take care of the multiplication and division first. Again, it's an or statement. As you go from left to right, who showed up first? Division. Yeah. So 12 divided by the 3 is what I'm doing first. Again, I'm going to write everything down that I have not used. All right. So any other multiplication? All right. Now, this is where some of you might combo steps and realize that, hey, I can do both. Listen, if you can combo some steps there, that's completely up to you. I'm not going to encourage it. All right. I'm going to kind of take it time at a step at a time here. All right. But again, if you combo a little bit, it's okay. I still need to see things. The main thing is we don't want you skipping 3 steps and then jumping to the answer there. 6 minus 12, go 4. All right, let's skip a little bit here. Let's find ourselves a good one that's here. And oh, question number 6. Okay, here we go, people. We like this one here because the parentheses are there. Multiplications, additions. We've got pretty much the whole game except for the exponents. But come on, we've been working with this. Don't boo the we've been using them there. We'll get to more of them here in a moment. All right. Just a little bit of patience out of you. Parentheses. Do you see any? I do. I see 2 things inside of them. So we still have to use our order of operations. Who's higher in the chart? Multiplication is? Yes, multiplication's higher in the chart. So even though it came second, we do need to handle it. 7 times 2 is a 14. Now, in this case, I cannot get rid of my parentheses because there's more to do inside there. I still have a minus sign. I still have a 15. Now, like I said, if you combo some steps together, hey, up to you. I need to bring down everything I haven't used. I haven't used that addition sign, haven't used that 5, that division, that 15, that minus, and that 10. And there we go. So let's finish off those parentheses. 15 minus 14, that's a 1. Again, I'm going to bring down everything I haven't used. I can dump my parentheses here because there's nothing else to do inside of the parentheses. So we can get rid of them. So I see subtraction, I see division, I see addition. Who's highest in the chart? Well, the division is. So I got to take that out next. 15 divided by 5 is 3. Again, I like to underline because it really focuses on what I'm doing. Bring down who I haven't used. Visually, I can see what I have not used yet. And now I see addition, I see subtraction. So we're just going left to right, people. Because again, it's addition or subtraction left to right. It's who showed up first. All right. Subtraction showed up first. So subtraction gets served first. 10 minus 3 is 7. 7 plus 1 is 8. And voila, there we go. We are done. All right. So again, things to watch for. The dot for multiplication. A number up against parentheses means to multiply. So it's got some dual meanings that are going on there. All right. Exponents repeat multiplication. Let's get after it, people. We'll see you later.